Hello everyone. Welcome to KTS Techno Teach. The week of the video is about how to create an animated video simply using Steve AI. There are very few steps only to create a video. When you feed the content to Steve AI, you can get a beautiful animated video. This can be used to teach children and also the higher education level students. Now let us see a demo by Mr. K. Tongavel.
Hi everyone. So this is Steve AI artificial intelligence applications. Now let's see the demo. How to create account and how to use this Steve AI application. Okay. So this is the only AI tool to create live action videos, animation videos using text. So there are many features available in this Steve AI. So how to create account? So just go to Google and click Steve AI. So you can get a website like this, Steve AI. So by using Steve AI, you can make YouTube video, cartoon video, and animated video. Now let me click animated video. So this is the home page. So first step is you have to create account. So the ID creation process is very easy. By using Gmail ID, we can create account. That's it. Okay. So the ID has been created. Now you can see the dashboard area. Here there are many possibilities are there. So you can text to video, text to animation, log to video, log to animation, and page URL to animation. So these things are possible. You can make a video within a few steps. And left hand side you can see create. Okay. So whatever the video you want to create, just click here. Okay. So after creation you can go to my video. Right. So after that you can share the video to anyone. So first step, I can click text to animation. Okay. So text to animation, if you click, you can get a pop-up window like this. So type of video, animation video, video ratio, you can select horizontal 16:9 ratio. Okay. Category, so you can select any category. Okay. So I can select the explainer video. Title, so you can give a title related to your video. Okay. Here if you want to get the script, okay, so the application itself, it will create a script, so it will make it as a video. Okay, if you don't need, you can close this. Yes, so this is the interface area, so you can get a script from Google Bard or Chat GPT. Okay, so I got this script. Okay, so automatically if you feed this, automatically it will be connected by scene. See there, totally 22 scenes are there. Okay, scene by scene the video will be uh, making. Okay, so in this step you can select, for example, if you want to clear all, and you can clear, or suppose if you want to add any more scene or any more sentence, you can click here, so you can edit. Otherwise you can delete this scene. Okay, so simply we can create a script for our video. Now let's see how to make this video. Okay, for example, you can name for the video. Okay, Jack and Jill. So this is the story I have selected for my video, and type of video, animation video, source. Okay, source you can select all. Okay, so if you want to highlight in your text, you can click auto highlight, and if you want to add voiceover, you can enable this option. Okay, so once you select this add voiceover, you can get this dialog box where you can select language, accent, gender, male voice or female voice, and voice character also you can select, and click generator voice. So once you click generate voice, and you can click next. So in this area you can select the design style. Okay, so which type of animated style you want, so you can select here. Okay, so simply you can place over the mouse here, so you can get the animation. Okay, so you can select as you wish. Okay, now let me select this animation style. So there will be a scene loading. Okay, after few seconds the script will be converted into a video. That video can be edited in the workspace area. Okay, so this is the workspace area. Yes, So simply we got this. If you want to edit this video, you can also edit this. For example, left hand side you can change layout, change color, transition. Okay, here also you can edit the text also. If you click double click, so you can edit this text, and you can click apply. Or if you want to change this character, or you can click, so you can change by action or change character. Okay, here, so you can select, you can change any character. In free version there are limited characters only available. Okay, so in every slides we cannot add more characters. Okay, like that we can edit this video. So you can also edit this video scene by scene. So this is a second scene, and third, okay, fourth, right? So in each slides or each scene you can edit the picture or text. Okay, so once you have completed all these steps, you can click publish. Okay, so you can get a page like this, and you can click a download option. Here there is a preview option. Okay, so once you click a download option, so the video will be downloaded. In free versions you can create 3 videos per month. Okay, so that is enough. If you want to create more videos, so you can use a different ID for creating videos. And next page you can get a page like this. So the video will be downloaded here. So after that you can get a video and you can play the video.
In a quaint village nestled at the foot of a lush green hill, there lived two best friends named Jack and Jill. They were inseparable and shared countless adventures together. One sunny morning, Jack and Jill decided to embark on a journey to the top of the hill, hoping to catch a glimpse of the beautiful countryside that stretched beyond. They packed a picnic basket filled with delicious treats and set off hand in hand, their laughter filling the air. As they climbed higher, the path became steeper, but Jack and Jill were undeterred. They encouraged each other with cheerful words, their determination never waning. Finally, after much effort, they reached the summit of the hill. The sight before them took their breath away. Rolling meadows, vibrant flowers, and a glistening river unfolded like a painting beneath the azure sky. Eager to savor their triumph, Jack and Jill settled down on a soft patch of grass. They unpacked their picnic and shared stories and laughter, basking in the warmth of their friendship and the beauty of their surroundings. But as they prepared to descend the hill, a misstep caused Jill to stumble and tumble down, her laughter turning into cries of pain. Concerned, Jack rushed to her side, offering comfort and support. With Jack's help, Jill dusted herself off, determined not to let the mishap dampen their spirits. They continued their journey down the hill, albeit more cautiously, holding each other's hands tightly. As they reached the village, news of their adventure had spread. The villagers marveled at their courage and resilience, inspired by their unwavering friendship. Jack and Jill's story became a symbol of determination and support, reminding everyone that even in the face of challenges, the power of friendship can heal and uplift. From that day forward, Jack and Jill's bond grew even stronger. They continued to explore the world together, facing obstacles hand in hand, and spreading joy wherever they went. Their story became a beloved tale passed down through generations, a reminder that true friendship knows no limits and can overcome any obstacle. And so, the story of Jack and Jill remains etched in the hearts of all who hear it, a testament to the enduring power of friendship and the beauty of shared adventures.
Now let's come back to dashboard. Okay, so dashboard you can create any more videos by using these features available in this TVA, and you can click my video. If you click my video, so whatever the video you have prepared, so it will be saved in this page. Okay, So similarly, you can prepare a YouTube video, okay, YouTube intro video, or any other video by using this TVAI. The same steps may be followed in this preparing YouTube video or AI content videos. Okay. Once you have prepared the video, you can use it for your teaching learning process. So simply, if you have a text or script, so that will be converted into animated video. So you no need to want to put much efforts to prepare that video. Okay, you just feed the text and you will get a video, an animated video. So this way, this TVA application is more useful. Okay, hope this video will be very useful. You can apply this Stevie application for your teaching learning process. We will meet in the another video. Thank you so much.